This is what I purchased, or they claim I thought I purchased anyway. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like according to them. Okay, that looked like that. Oh boy, oh boy. In all seriousness here, I really hope this is not the drone I just looked at on Peibo's site that I paid $120 odd for. It's not even as big as the packages that I've seen in the videos I've been watching, because I got to thinking this can't be, it's too good to be true. I looked it up, did some research, and there were, because I did once and couldn't find anything on it, and I did find I think 4 videos on Peibo and these GPS drones. It was the one that looks like the Walkura Vitus, though, that they got. They call this a Spark, as we've seen earlier, but that is a DJI drone, one of those hhhmm type cheap photo drones. There's no GPS, there's no follow me, there's nothing on this whatsoever. Total false advertisement. This doesn't look anything like that thing on there. I'm not even gonna fly this or even do anything with it. Oh yeah, that's GPS and position hold and follow me. That's all that right there. Hand gesture, yeah, I said all that, didn't it? No, that's not. It's not even, no. And I didn't even get a battery that I supposedly got extra for it. Didn't even get that, so no, this will never do. I'm not paying $120 for this $30 Chinese plastic. So there you go. That's the Peibo drone. Does it all, don't it? Says it all for sure. Post this anywhere and everywhere you can, possibly. It's knowledge we all need to know about. Companies like this don't need to be able to do business in the United States of America. And Donald Trump did put a big tax on them or some kind of tariff, and needs to make it even more and stop this kind of thing. False advertising is illegal. These people really should go to prison. In all reality, they would put me in prison if I was doing that. I guarantee you they would come get me today. So somebody should go to prison for this, really. Something to think about. Yeah. No, that's not the same at all, is it? No. %100% money back guarantee. That's very good. 25 to 30 minutes. 4K. 4K, really? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Controller. No controller. Says they come with a controller. There is no one. Oh, here's hand gestures. Hey, does that. That does that, huh? They'll have to send me the instructions on how to do that. Oh, there's the controller that doesn't come with it. That they say does. And oh, if you look at that, look at that, it says Mavic Air. Look at that, it says Mavic Air even. So that's, golly, total lie. It's total lie here. There's the battery. Supposedly bought one of those too, and that doesn't seem to be here. Oh, here's the other one they sell. It's just like the Walkura Vitus, doesn't it? Vitus, whatever. Well, that one is the Mavic knockoff. Here's their reviews. That's what these people received. That didn't even look like. And that does it. No, those kind of look almost like a Peibo Spark, actually. Those may be actual Spark reviews, and that's got a different controller right there. I should have caught on to that, but yeah. It's total false advertisement, kids. Totally. Paid $121 and change for a $30 junk drone toy. This one has GPS supposedly. Oh, AR games. I don't even care about that. God, games, hand gesture, selfies. Yeah, 1080p, 4K. It does all this stuff that it's impossible for this to even think about having. Oh yeah, holds up totally differently. That doesn't look anything like what is in my box. I think that may be a Mavic Air, really, now that I look at it. Didn't really take note at that first. I thought it was more like a Mavic Pro, but that's a picture, I believe, of a Mavic Air. So take note, everybody, and post this as many places as you can. This is a pathetic stab at the American public right here. Chinese companies think they can just come in and tell you this and give you this and sell you that. Go Donald Trump, go Donald Trump. Just put a stop to all of it. There's no sense in it, and it's illegal, and they should go to prison. Period. End of story. I'd go to prison for it. Right, shouldn't we jump on a boat or a plane and just go pick the group up and throw them in the slammer for a while? That's kind of what they deserve if they want to do business over here, right? That's the way I see it. That's false advertisement. That's illegal, and $120 for $30. I'm not even going to call that a drone. It's not a drone. Drones do autonomous missions and are smart drones. That's why they call them drones. This is like a little toy quadcopter. That's not what I purchased. That's what I purchased. That's what I got sent. I think somebody needs some jail time, really, I do. Honestly, I would get jail time. I'm sure of it, probably. The average person would. You would too. All of us would. Not special. Why are they special? Thanks, man. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Turbo at Turbo Reviews. I'm out of here.